Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alpha Crypto Wolf channel. And in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use TradingView, and this is what we'll be covering. What is TradingView? How you can use TradingView? What is technical analysis? Things to learn. I'm going to show you guys how you can find a cryptocurrency on TradingView and a crypto pair. I'll show you about time frame. I'll explain what time frame simply means. I'll talk about support and resistance. I'll talk about trend lines and how to draw a trend line. I'll talk about candlestick and the overview of TradingView app. Now, this particular video is not for me to teach you everything on technical analysis, because technical analysis is very broad. It's just for me to open your eyes to, see that you can use technical analysis and TradingView to actually make a lot of money online via cryptocurrency. And everything I'm going to be teaching here are for educational purpose. That being said, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Come to my channel, you're going to see a subscribe button here. Subscribe. I put a lot of content for you guys, good content, and I believe that you guys are supposed to be subscribing to my channel. The majority of people that watch my videos, they don't subscribe, so I'd like you guys to subscribe to my channel so that will be a motivation for me. And this particular video I'll be doing is a video that I'm doing live. Like, I'm not going to be editing the video. I'll just do everything is originally. I'm just going to do the video, I'll post it so that you guys can see it. So without wasting much of your time, and let's go straight to today's class. What is TradingView? TradingView is, I call it a social media platform for crypto and forex traders. But TradingView is an application or a website where people that are interested in cryptocurrency and forex come to do their analysis, learn more about the market, join a community, and make money. Basically, that is the summary of what TradingView is. So on TradingView, you have people that are interested in cryptocurrency and forex coming to a particular platform to learn more about it. Just like the way on social media platforms like Facebook, you have people that want to connect with their friends and family, join Facebook and connect with people that are their friends and family. And on TradingView, we have people that are into making money online via forex, cryptocurrency, stocks and shares and stuff like that, come together and give them themselves tips, learn more about the financial market and stuff. So here on this is the face of TradingView. The website is www.tradingview.com. Let me highlight it. www.tradingview.com. There is a mobile version of TradingView. I'm going to do a video on that very, very soon. Now, when you open the website, you will see a place where you can register on TradingView. When you register, you can register for free, and you can upgrade for a 30 days free trial. I'm going to put a link to the description if you want to upgrade for a 30 days free trial. On this side of the website, you see TradingView. Look before you leave. Then you see the different cryptocurrency and the top cryptocurrency and stocks. So you have Bitcoin paired with the US dollar. This is the current price of Bitcoin there. That means Bitcoin has just pumped 1.39%. We have Tesla, we have Apple, Apple stock and stuff like that. Then you have people sharing their tips and their projections, their prediction of the market. There are a lot of stuff going on here. This is not where I want to focus on TradingView. When you open the app, you can see there's a part where you see news. You see news, all the things that are happening. And in this place, I'm going to give a run through of the TradingView app, and I'll be focusing majorly on the chart in this particular video. That being said, let's go straight. So in my in my outline, I said I'll talk about TradingView, how we can use TradingView. I've actually explained what TradingView is and how we can use TradingView. I've talked about how we can use TradingView. Let me just add that on TradingView we can use it to do technical analysis and make informed decisions based on the historical events that have happened on a particular cryptocurrency and understand our projections for that cryptocurrency and stuff like that. We can use it to set alarm. We can use it to learn from other people. We can use it. It's just like a place where you have a lot of information and using information to make money and stuff. So that is what we can use TradingView for. Permit me, you're going to see a lot of line on my TradingView app, because any coin I've traded with before, I leave lines of support, resistance and stuff for the future. But that being said, let's move straight to the other part of the video. Then I talked about technical analysis. I've actually explained what technical analysis is. I take my time to do a very detailed video on technical analysis. Technical analysis simply means using prehistorical events like the candlestick, the chart patterns, the support and resistance zones, the behavioral pattern of a particular cryptocurrency to project what is going to happen in the future. That is the summary of what technical analysis is. For example, when I see through technical analysis, I can have an understanding of what a coin is, how a coin is behaving, and what the coin might do in the future. Now, this is Bitcoin paired with the US dollar theta. This is Bitcoin, and this is a weekly time frame of Bitcoin. You can see from here, Bitcoin started, it moved to this place, it hit the resistance zone, it came down, it moved again, it took it a while, it came back up, it broke the resistance and it moved up, hit another resistance, came down a little, did a retest, and boom, it went up, hit a resistance here, and this was the point where this is the weekly time frame. On the other lower time frames, it will be more detailed than this, but it came up, it pumped to this point, and there was a major resistance at $58,144. It hit that point, it came down, did a retest, hit again, came down, did a retest, hit again, broke out a little, and it hit over 64,000. That was the period Bitcoin hit its all-time high, around 64,000, right? 64,000 plus. Then it came out. So basically, we can call this one a fake out. This is something I can explain later, but it came out again. It had not left the resistance zone. It came back again. It fell down. People were thinking it was going to go up immediately and do a retest, and it came as low as 28,491. That was when Bitcoin fell from here. Bitcoin fell from this place. Guys, I didn't plan to do all this, but it's just me trying to give a more detailed technical analysis. This video is going to be long, so you have to be patient if you really want to learn. It fell from here to this point. That was like over 50% fall. So a lot of people were scared, they FOMO out. I did a video on crypto terms and terminology, so if you don't know the meaning of FOMO, you can check that. They FOMO out. Some of them sold their coins and everything, and now you can see that the coin has started a recovery. It's going back up. It's going to go to this place, retest, and most likely it's going to break. The way the coin is moving now, it's going to break this resistance zone and continue to go up. That is my own prediction based on the weekly time frame I've seen here. So this is what technical analysis does. It gives you an idea of what is happening. It gives you an idea of the place a particular project or a coin is going to. It opens your eyes to see how you can make more informed decisions in cryptocurrency, and that is what technical analysis is about. So let's now go straight into the next part of this training, the things we are going to learn today. First and foremost, we are going to learn how to find a crypto on TradingView, how to find a cryptocurrency on TradingView. So to find a cryptocurrency on TradingView, you guys know how I got to this place. If you don't know, let me go back so that you guys can see, because I don't want to, I just want this video to be live, like no editing. The mistakes will be there. If I make a mistake, I'll correct it on screen. And I'm not trying to strive to be like the most perfect guy doing this stuff. No, I just want to be the real guy doing it, opening everything to you guys for real. So if you click on chat, when you click on chat, it's going to open the crypto platform. If you look at this place, this particular place, this is where the coin you are analyzing, or the coin you are trading with. This is where you can see, for example, you see BTC USDT. It means I'm trading with Bitcoin paired with the US dollar theta. This is the time frame. If I click on it, you're going to see 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 week, 1 day, and stuff like that. This is a time frame. It's something I'll explain later. If you click here, you're going to see different options. You see bars, candlestick. This is basically for candlesticks and different options you can pick from. Then if you click on this place, you will see your indicators and strategies. There are a lot of indicators. The indicators people have created, there are ones that have come with the app to just give you an idea of decisions you make. Like personally, I use MACD indicator with multiple time frames to make my decision. I use moving average, I use support and resistance, and I use trend line. Boom, that is all. In fact, I have a friend that all he does to make his decision on the market and trade, he just uses support and resistance and trend line. If you don't need to use all the indicators in the world. There are tons of indicators. You just need to know the one that works for you and how it works for you. So this is my indicator. I know that once this red line cross this yellow line, it forms green. When it forms green, it shows it's going to go up. And if it's on the top side, guys, I'm deviating a little, but I'm just trying to explain something. If on the top side the green line crosses the yellow line to form red, it means it's going to go down. So from, if I touch here now, you're going to see that the indicator had given me a sign that this thing was going to go down. If I want to trade, I just come buy, I'll sell from this top to this bottom, and I'll take my profit. And as I touch here, the indicator has given me a sign that this is going to go up. I'll just buy around there and I'll sell at this top before this resistance zone. Boom. It looks easy, but that is the way this should. I just want to say this is the way this thing works. So permit my okay, so let's continue. Now, I said in this place we are going to find a crypto on TradingView. If you want to find a crypto on TradingView, click here, this first icon, click on it. You are going to search. Let's say you want to search Ethereum. All you need to write is to write the symbol ETH. You see Ethereum futures, Ethereum this, then you pair it with USDT, US dollar theta. It's going to open Ethereum, US dollar theta, Ethereum perpetual, and they'll show you different crypto platforms, their exchange. This is Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, whatever. Like personally, you guys know that I use Binance, so I'll just click Ethereum, US dollar theta, boom, and that is it. I've opened Ethereum. This is the weekly frame. I've traded with Ethereum a lot. You can see a lot of yellow lines. Don't be scared, it's just normal. Like Ethereum has really gone up, it has pumped, it has moved very, 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 very high. But that being said, you can also see the behavioral pattern of Ethereum. From down, it moved to this point, it got to this place, came up, hit here, hit this place, had a very strong resistance, then it fell down, boom, 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 started recovering, going up, it came down again, go up a little. There's a strong support and resistance in this area. There's a place we call ranging area, but this is not something I'm going to discuss in this video. Now it started going back up again, and now it has gotten to this point. It's going back to do a retest, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They have almost this similar behavioral movement pattern. So what I'm actually talking on now is the fact that Ethereum. So let me just give you guys a quick tip. If anybody that buys Ethereum here, if you buy Ethereum here, you can actually sell around this place. Let me show you something. If you buy from this place, let me just give you a tip. If you buy Ethereum here and you hold it to this place, boom, this is going to be a 32% profit. That is big money. If you know, you know. So if you invest in Ethereum now, I'm very confident that Ethereum is not going to come down. It's going to go up to this point before the resistance zone. You sell. That is if you want to hold for a short term, because it might hit the resistance zone and it will not break it. You understand? So if it doesn't break it, then it will go down to come and do a retest until it breaks it, because it's a very strong resistance. But if you buy it and you hold and you plan to sell around $4,199, you're going to make 32% profit. That is very huge. Yes, I know maybe I should be doing more projections and giving you guys tips and stuff, but let's move back to the video. I enjoy this stuff, so from here you can find a coin. For example, if I want to trade with 1 inch, all I need to do is to just come search again 1 inch USDT. So if you're enjoying this class, this is the time you're supposed to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, so that you will not miss out on quality content. Like subscribe, you on my notification, and you leave a comment. It's going to mean a lot to me, because I work very hard to dish out content for you guys. So 1 inch theta, boom. So if I want to search for Cardano ADA, all I need to write is just write ADA, and I find the pair. USDT. It's going to bring it out again. Cardano, Theta, Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, Bybit. Boom, this is it. If you want to find Solano, you guys should get the idea now. Just this symbol search, just search for Solano. The symbolism of Solano is SOL. So I put USDT. Boom. This is the first one. Solano. If you want to find Dogecoin, Doge, DOGE, USDT. Boom. You understand? So you guys can see Dogecoin also have similar behavior. Move, hit this point, come down, blah, 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 came here, now it's going back up, and it's either it breaks it or it does a retest. But we are moving, we are progressing. So let's continue the class. I said things to learn, how to find a cryptocurrency. The next one is time frame. Time frame is for you to the time, the duration of a particular movement of cryptocurrency. So this particular time frame now is that I'm using now is the weekly time frame of Dogecoin. And if you want to find the time frame, on this top corner where I'm rolling my mouse, where you see the symbol, the next place is the time frame. If I click on it, you're going to see different time frame. We have the 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 1 week, like that. You even get to one month and stuff like that. So depending on what you want to do on the market will determine the time frame you'll be looking at. For example, somebody that wants to do a long-term investment of a cryptocurrency, I advise you to use longer time frames like yearly time frame, 1 month, 1 week and stuff like that. Somebody that wants to do a short-term investment, it's advisable for you to check through all the time frame, but for short-term investment you can check the 1 month, the 1 week. Then you now consider like 4 hours, 1 hour behavior, 30 minutes and 15 minutes, depending on the one you prefer. Some people trade within 5 minutes, some people make their decision within 15 minutes, some 30. But I say the popular ones are after you check the day behavior, you check the week, so you know the direction, if the coin is falling or is going up. Then if you want to do short trade, it's either you use 4 hours, you open 4 hours and boom, it's okay. Within the past 4 hours, this is how this coin has been moving. For example, you notice that there's a very strong resistance here, and this coin is going back to do a retest most likely. This is not going to be a retest, this is coming down to come down a little bit more. How do I know this? From my MACD strategy, both lines just kissed and it has formed red. That means it's going to go down. That is my own analysis of it. Then it will come back to this coin is actually coming down. It can hit this point, there's a strong resistance here, so it will come down. There's a support here. Most likely if it comes to this support area, it will now go back and do a retest. This is the way we analyze. This is my opinion about it. This is my opinion about that is 4 hours time frame. Now in the 4 hour time frame, what candlestick actually represents the full. For example, this particular candlestick here, let me zoom them very well. This particular candlestick, this is just one candlestick, right? But this is a 4 hours. Everything that happened in 4 hours, this is the summary of it. That this particular time, this 4 hours on my batteries, this coin started from here and formed to this point. And here you can see that these 4 hours it fell, the next 4 hours it came down, the next 4 hours it came down. So that means in the last 4, 8, 12 hours, the last 12 hours, this coin had come down. But this one and this last 4 hours now it seems like it's going up. So basically that is each candle here represents 4 hours. In 1 hour, each candlestick represents 1 hour. Each candlestick represents 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. So from the 1 hour candlestick you can have an idea of how the 4 hour candlestick behaved. You understand? The fall of this place is what formed one 4 candlestick of 4 hours. I hope you guys understand this. I don't want to go deep into this. This stuff are things I can take time to create one after the other. Let's continue. I just want to give an overview of this stuff. Then we have the support and the resistance, and I'll be mentioning support and resistance. Basically, what is a support zone? The support zone is a particular point a crypto when a cryptocurrency is falling, it hits that point, it begins to go back up. It supports the coin begins to go back up. Do you understand? The support zone is simply a place where a cryptocurrency gains support to go up. For example, this particular place now here is now a support zone. This coin was ranging here, it broke, then it moved up. So this point now is a support zone. As at the time, hope you guys will understand this. I'm going to do a better video to explain it. As at the time the coin was not able to hit this place was a resistance, and when the coin hit a resistance zone, two things will happen. It's either it falls down, the resistance is so strong that it allow the coin go down, or the coin breaks the resistance and go up. If a coin breaks resistance and starts going up, that resistance zone becomes a new support zone. The place the coin hits and the coin reverse movement is now the new resistance zone. Do you understand? So a support zone works as a resistance zone, a resistance zone works as a support zone, if you understand it. If you don't understand, just pick what I've said. Support is where a coin gets support to go up. Resistance is where a coin, when a coin that is going up hit, begins to reverse and come down. Finish. If you want to understand better, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do a particular video explaining support zone and resistance zone. So one of my indicators automatically shows me support zone and resistance zone. So what is the next? The next is trend line. Good. This is actually a trend line. This trend line shows you the direction or the movement of a coin. You understand? So from here now, this particular trend line is an automatic one. It's not the one I drew. You know, this is telling me that this coin is using the 1 hour candle stick. This coin has been going upward. You might check the 15 minutes time frame and you see that the trend line is actually showing down, but overall with the 1 hour time frame you can see that this coin is going up. And personally, I think this trend line is okay, but I can actually draw it better. Do you understand? This is an automatic trend line that I get using one of my indicators, but this is a particular example, a perfect example of what a trend line is about. So I'm going to show you guys how you can draw a trend line, but all I'm just doing is for the sake of this tutorial. It's not something deep. I'm not doing something 100% perfect, just me showing you guys how you can draw a trend line from this tutorial. So let me zoom in. For example, now you can see this coin has been on an upward trend, then it hit here, it's now coming down. So if I want to draw my trend line, I'll just take my trend line, pick from here, from this point, and I'll begin to draw like this. Boom. This. So this way I've gotten my trend line. This is not a perfect drawing, but this is an example of what a trend line is. If the coin is coming down, I can actually draw a trend line to show the reversal of the. Hold on, give me a second, please. If it's coming down, I can draw a trend line again to show that this coin is coming down. Just click here, boom, hit the top. Look at every point the coin has gotten to and it is falling. And I'll draw a trend line, make it straight. Use a trend line again, showing that this coin is coming down. You understand? But this is the reason I'm just doing this is to explain to you guys how this thing works. This is a trend line now. From here, I can draw another trend line again to show the upper side of this coin moving. Trend line. This is how this trend line is supposed to be. It's supposed to be straight. This is a trend line. No, this is not a perfect trend line. This is just me showing you what a trend line should look like. I'm going to do a detailed video to explain that. Then the next thing we have candlestick. I'm going to show you. I've showed you guys what a candlestick is. But let me just show you a candlestick. A candlestick. This is a candlestick basically. Let me just pick one. There are a lot of candlesticks. Candlesticks are everywhere. I have to zoom in very well. Good. Now, this is a candlestick. This is a candlestick. This is a candlestick. A particular minute of a coin, the total behavior of a coin for a particular period of time. So, if I'm using a 15 minutes time frame, every candle here is called a candlestick. Basically, if I want to explain this candlestick, say okay, this coin actually, this particular one in this middle, this is what happened with this candlestick. The last coin came down, got to this point, formed a new, after the 15 minutes of that one, formed a new 15 minutes candlestick, and the candlestick just started going up, hit this point, right, formed a wick, and finally came down to settle here. That's it. So the candlestick did not come down, it did not go up and come down, it just went up straight, hit this point from the week and came back to settle. This particular candlestick from up came down, from this particular up, it came to this point, then it went down, came back here, and it was on the low. Then this new candle formed, and you can see this one is going up. How many minutes is left? You have like 2 minutes, and this candle is going up. Most likely end in the green. That's my prediction. So if it ends in the green, the next candle will see where the candle is going. But with the way this coin is moving, I've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8 candles in this particular place that have been in the same direction. It shows that this coin is ranging here. Anywhere this coin breaks out, if for example we know it's going up, so if it breaks out, I'm supposed to put a resistance line around there. There's a resistance that is not making this coin move freely. So let's say this is where the coin is getting to. Okay, boom, I put a resistance line here. You understand? If this coin breaks this resistance line, form a new candle above the resistance, then we can project that this coin is going to go up to as much as this position. This is where the next resistance is. Let me mark it. That's how I keep marking my computer screen. Don't mind me. I hope you guys are still with me in this video. If you really want to learn, this is a video that helps you learn. Click from here to this place. It is just like 1.87% profit. It's big money depending on the amount you're investing in, but that is what a trend line is, candlestick. Then overview of TradingView. I've almost talked about everything, but I'll now give an overview. I've written everything I want to do. Now this part are different tools you can use. I don't know what other people call them. There are different tools you can use, and they have their function. Individually. But here you can see test, notes. You can actually use this one to write test of maybe I can write I can just click on test and write in this place. Say downward trend line, downward. This test is for you to know to like save some things in the you have done. Downward trend line, just to put information on. You click on it, okay, boom. So anytime I see downward trend line, if I click here, I can put note, there are a lot of stuff, I can even tweet and stuff like that, but that is not what I can't finish that. My battery is almost low. Look at this down part is showing me that my battery is low. Then here it is from this place I use this indicator to do my longing, my shorting, to forecast, to get my price range, to do my stop loss. For example, if I want to use a stop loss now for long, I can just click on, let's say here, if I'm projecting this thing is going to go up, I'll just click here. So I'll say, okay, if this thing, I believe this thing is going to get to this point, then that is 1%, and I want to put my stop loss at maybe 0.5. I'll just adjust here. 0.65. You understand? But this is not a smart way to trade. I'm just giving an example. Don't go and trade for 1% to put 0.65 stop loss and stuff. But this is it. So when I enter this trade here, my plan is to take my profit here. But if the trade goes against me and they start reversing once my coin hits this point, I'll leave the trade. I'll save myself money, but I'll make a little bit of loss. But if it gets to this point, I'll take my profit. There's a lot to learn about with stop loss, but this is the indicator for that. Yeah, you use this one to zoom in and out, but I don't use it. I don't use all the indicators here, but every indicator have their function. The ones I use generally, this one, if I press it, it's going to remove all the line on the screen that I've created before. This one, you can lock all your drawing to that. When you lock it, nothing can remove it. Everything will just be there. I don't use that often. This particular one, yeah, this is where I pick up my trend line to draw my trend line, my arrow, everything, trend angle. This stuff are too much. I cannot even explain everything. I just want to give an overview. If not, this video is already long. So my battery is almost down. Then if you look at this side of the screen, I've explained to this point. This is, you can create an alert. Okay, alert me when this coin gets to this place. You create alert. then you're going to put the time where you want the alert to ring in this, where you fill out the information. That's where you create alert. Here you can take a screenshot, a snapshot of what you are doing on the market. I take snapshots from time to time. You take a snapshot, you can post and show people. When maybe you make a game or stuff, you can actually post and show people. Yeah, this is full mode. You can use it to see the full screen without, to see the full screen of when you're trading with. Boom. Let's move forward. I'm trying to be very fast now. This place, if you click, let's come to this place. This place is alarm. I set alarms. Look at it. When the coin reach a particular point, they're going to alert you. Look at some alert I've set. You set alert here. Here you get all the news for a particular crypto you open. If you open Dogecoin, you see news on Dogecoin, anything that concerns Dogecoin, you're going to get all the latest news. I use it a lot. In this place, this is the data window. You see the price the coin open, the all-time low, the all-time high for the coin. Every information you need, you're going to see. This is data video. Data window. If you click here, this is the exchange volume and exchange history of different stuff. Because this is not only for TradingView, is not only used for cryptocurrency, it's also used for stock and shares. But I use it for cryptocurrency majorly. Yeah, you get more information. There's a Muslim prayer going on, so it's going to affect my recording. I'm going to stop anytime soon. Yeah, this is where you put note of your ideas. Every idea you have. In this place, economic calendar, this is where you mark information so that you will know what's going to happen, and you can actually check information that have been marked for you to get better understanding. Yeah, there's a community where we chat. People chat, they give information, they give projections. Somebody said we are going to hit 10k next year, and that's when I'll buy. People are chatting and giving you projections. Somebody said, just so people should. It's like a chat room, just like the way I said, it's a social media platform for people that are interested in cryptocurrency. Yeah, people chat and they give projections, they give information and stuff like that. So when you join the chat community of people. Somebody just posted these are predictions. So for me, I can get more information using TradingView. This place is your recent chat. I don't chat. I just focus on this thing. Here is for people that are streaming. I just stream. Here is for live streaming. Then this is to see all your notifications on TradingView. That being said, this is my rundown of TradingView. If there's any other information I want to do, I'm going to do another video. For now, for the sake of my battery, this is where I'm going to end this video. If you actually find this interesting, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I do interesting content, at least you'll be among the first to see it. What I did today was I talked about what is TradingView, how we can use TradingView, what is technical analysis, things to learn, how to find the crypto on TradingView, time frame, support and resistance, trend lines, candlesticks, an overview of TradingView app. That's basically what I talked about today, and this is my crypto channel, Alpha Crypto channel. Bye for now. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Hope you enjoy this. So if you enjoy this one, leave a comment so that I will do more content like this. Okay, that's it. Phone screen, let me show you how much Brother Shaggy makes every month on YouTube. Now, this is socialblade.com. This is a place where we can estimate the sites that YouTubers are making. Let me open Brother Shaggy channel. Official Brother Shaggy. So let's give this thing a time to load. Official Brother Shaggy channel. I'm going to show you how much Brother Shaggy makes on YouTube and how you too can make a lot of money from YouTube. Now this is Official Brother Shaggy channel. Shaggy has almost 1 million subscribers. Just give me a second, please. Good. This is Brother Shaggy's channel, and this is the estimation of Brother Shaggy's channel. Brother Shaggy, if he doesn't make money at all, he makes $1,600, which is the minimum, and every month, and the maximum amount he can make is $25,000. From $1,600 to $25,000 monthly, and the estimated yearly amount is $18,000 to
almost $300,000 every year. That is the money Brother Shaggy makes from making you laugh on YouTube. The question is, what are you doing on YouTube with your time? Yes, I know everybody will say not everybody can make people laugh. I don't know how to make comedy skits. You don't need to make comedy skits for you to make money on YouTube. There are other ways you can make money, and that is why you need to subscribe to this channel so that I can teach you all these tricks involved in making money on YouTube.